Hey guys, what's this? This company called Coolerlife sent us this dog resistant, bite resistant, I mean. It's not dog resistant, it's bite resistant. Soccer toy for the dogs to play with. And we'll put the link in the description of the video as well so that you guys can check it out. But right now, it's playtime. Who wants it? Who wants it? Woo!
Yay!
I know who wants it.
Go, Zin, go!
Very cool. All right, let's have it. Ready? Zulu? Nope, Zinja. What happened? Did he take it again? There it goes. Oh.
Here, Zulu. Hey. Zinja. You're a good soccer player, huh?
Yeah, it's got these nice little tabs on it so they can get a hold of it.
Can I throw it? You want to play? Hey, look at you. Go.
So as you can see, he's going to be able to chew on the tabs, but not the ball. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, he definitely wants to chew. Give me that. Boom. He loves it. Oh my.
Yeah, Zulu's gonna get a
Zulu's like, what about me? Oh, Zulu gets a turn. Maybe. Whoa.
Turn it up here.
Go get it, Zulu.
Go get it, Zulu.
Go on, go get it.
I
I can't hold him back. There you go, Zulu. Hey, Zulu gets a turn. All right.
Let her play with it for a few minutes.
You like? You like this? Oh, you like it? Yeah, you like it? You like it? Oh, yeah.
Ooh,
There we
Zulu,
go.
Look at you. You're so cute, Zulu. She's like, which cat am I going to play? What are you doing? Go. She loves it. You love it?
So as you can see, it comes with a pump that has a couple different ends in it in case you lose one. It comes deflated and you just pump it right up right here and that. So it's actually really cool, and you can select how hard you want it to be. And the dogs, obviously, as you saw, they love it. It's a great toy. So please check out the Coolerlife website and use our discount code to get one for your pup, because this is a really great toy. Have a great day, everyone.